Hi YouTube, what's up? It's Scudder85 and it's been a while. As you can see, I'm back with an unboxing of Marvel's Avengers for the Xbox One and Xbox Series X. So yeah, I picked this up yesterday, but first time playing it. So it was £20 in the sale, considering as all the shops have now reopened in England after Corona. So yeah. I went out and bought a few games yesterday. But yeah, as you can see on the front, so all the Avengers. So yep, optimized for Series X. I don't know why this is on there, but yeah, it's you just need to have this stuff, and yeah, just please get rid of that. Shouldn't even be on there. But yeah, so front, there's the side, and there's the back. Embrace your powers. So it is optimized for Series X, smart delivery, 4K, HDR10, single player, multiplayer, and impulse triggers. I believe the upgrade for this is about 108 gig for the Series X. So inside we've got the disc. Is there any art? Oh, kind of. And then there's that. Oh, that's pretty sweet. So yeah, that is my rather quick unboxing of Marvel's Avengers on the Xbox systems. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. Hope you're all staying safe, and I'll talk to you later. Cheers, bye bye.